We've been using this term condensed matter physics, goes all over my head. I have no idea what it is. Assume I'm an 18-year-old just fresh out of high school, a basic understanding of science and math, but beyond that, I have no understanding of advanced physics. And I'm wondering, what on earth is condensed matter physics? So what is it?
Okay, condensed matter simply refers to matter in the large, matter in aggregate, right? So for example, if you're studying not the particular properties of the individual air molecules in this room, but how the air in this room responds to changes in temperature and pressure. If you cool it or if you compress it, it liquefies. If you do further, it'll become a solid. The states of matter, the macroscopic organization of matter, and the changes in those states as you change some parameter, right? That's really what condensed matter physics is about. It's properties of the collective, right? It could be, see, for example, one atom isn't a conductor or an insulator. A crystal of some particular material is a conductor or an insulator or a semiconductor, right? One atom isn't a superconductor. A collection of them in the right range of temperatures can be. So it's about the collective properties of matter. So it's like sociology rather than psychology.
Okay. So it's the science of the group of the entire system rather than in the individual
That's
unit.
really all that condensed matter physics.